Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Qualcomm Pulse. I'm your host today. When it comes to semiconductor companies that shape our wireless world, two giants stand out: Qualcomm and Broadcom. Let's dive into a closer look at both companies. Qualcomm Technologies Inc. QCOM is well-positioned to meet its long-term revenue targets, driven by solid 5G traction, greater visibility, and a diversified revenue stream. The company recently introduced Qualcomm X85 5G modem RF, powered by Qualcomm's 5G AI processor, designed to deliver the fastest, battery-efficient, and most consistent 5G connectivity to Android users. Qualcomm is strengthening its foothold in the mobile chipsets market with innovative product launches. Its Snapdragon G series portfolio has been extended with next-generation gaming chipsets like Snapdragon G3 Gen 3, Snapdragon G2 Gen 2, and Snapdragon G1 Gen 2 chips. Samsung, one of the major smartphone manufacturers, has deployed the Snapdragon 8 Elite Mobile platform for its premium S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra devices. However, despite its efforts to ramp up its AI initiatives, Qualcomm faces tough competition from Intel Corporation (INTC) in the AI PC market. Shifts in the share among OEMs at the premium tier have reduced Qualcomm's near-term opportunity to sell integrated chipsets from the Snapdragon platform. The company also competes with Samsung's Exynos processors in the premium smartphone market, and MediaTek gaining market share in the mid-range and budget smartphone market. In contrast, Broadcom Inc. AVGO is benefiting from a strong demand for its networking products and custom AI accelerators XPUs. Its next-generation XPUs are in 3 nanometers and will be the first of their kind to market in that process node. Broadcom remains on track for volume shipment of these XPUs to its hyperscale customers in the second half of fiscal 2025. Broadcom has been aggressively pursuing strategic acquisitions to diversify end markets beyond semiconductors and strengthen its presence in the infrastructure software vertical. Acquisitions of CA, Symantec's enterprise security business, LSI Corporation, Brocade, and VMware have expanded its addressable market and diversified its existing business lines. However, the company faces significant competition in most of its operating markets, leading to intense pricing pressure that adversely impacts margins. In the FBAR technology market, Broadcom faces significant competition from Skyworks Surface acoustic wave SAW filters, while the acquisition of Brocade makes it a direct competitor of Cisco in the FC-SAN market. When comparing the two companies' financial prospects, Qualcomm looks more attractive than Broadcom from a valuation standpoint. Qualcomm's shares currently trade at 12.06 forward earnings, significantly lower than Broadcom's 31.26 for forward earnings. Both Qualcomm and Broadcom carry a Zacks Rank 3 hold, indicating that they can be held in long-term portfolios as solid performers, but not exciting speculative bets. While both companies expect their sales and profits to improve in 2025, Broadcom is relatively better placed with steady revenue and EPS growth, although at a slightly higher cost due to valuation metrics. So, who's the better investment option, Qualcomm or Broadcom? The answer depends on your investment goals and risk tolerance. But one thing's for sure, both companies are making significant strides in shaping our future technology landscape. At Qualcomm Pulse, we'll keep you updated on the latest developments in this dynamic semiconductor space.